Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, that was Zenande Mfenyana. Uthi-ke kudala eplana to cut her dreadlocks, and finally namhlanje she decided to cut them after 20 years now. Uthi wawaqala ngo-2003 ngesikhathi eqeda umatric. Uzenande guys uthi-ke she wants to be known with something new. Ayingale yantombazane yama-dread. Mzansi met Zenande on SABC One Generation, not Generation the Legacy guys, the old generations la khona ongamla la ayidlala khona indawo kanoluntu saphinda futhi sambona with the queen la kade edlala khona indawo ka Goodness Mabuza Mwana Gracious. In her Instagram page guys, she posted the following message on her live video. A woman who cut her hair is about to change her life, and it's been 20 years of my dreadlock journey, and it's time for it to come to an end. I am welcoming the new me, the changed, lighter, wiser, healthier me. Stay tuned for big reveal drops. Guys, we are smelling a new role ka Zenande Mfenyana. Guys, I think maybe she's shooting or she's about to shoot, I don't know, but guys, we are smelling a new role coming on our screen. And that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.